just for my video.
No, go
for
away.
my vlog.
Oh, your vlog sucks.
Yo, good morning, RTW Wrestling Gang. So today I don't know what I'm really doing. I tried. Ash is not answering any of the calls, so he can't. I don't know if he can come over or not. If he can, I'll record it. But I think I should do some more reactions. So let's do this. I have not already seen Jerry. It's missing stuff. So I have to sit on his channel. And his YouTube description will be in the description down below. Just like I did to Ava, so.
What's up, guys? My name is JB. I'm with my sister, Viola. Check. Go subscribe to her. And today we're gonna make a really funny video. So let's get it. Guess the lyrics. So we're gonna be humming some lyrics, and we have to guess them. So I'll go first.
But no, I'll go first.
Correct. It was treat you better. We're gonna do 5 of these. So John got 1 out of 5 right. Ready? Now it's John's turn.
Treat you better.
Dream on. Dream on. Dream on.
Like I see, his hair. Right now he has longer hair, but this is when he had like kind of a little short hair. But his hair is long. His hair is like 3 inches tall. It's so funny.
Oh baby. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, let me turn it out. When tomorrow comes,
From Pitch Perfect. When tomorrow comes. When tomorrow go. No, she got 3 out of 3, so she wins. But I'm gonna go right now. We're gonna end it there, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and peace from me and peace from Jesus Christ. And see you later, alligators. Bye.
Hey guys, so sorry it ended. One of my friends called me, and yeah, so that was that video. We're gonna probably watch one more because it was kind of fast.
What's up?
Watch this one that says I'm sorry. I don't know what he's sorry about. I just intro.
What's up, alligators? Sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I'll be posting it every single day. And I got a new intro and outro, and see you later. Alligators.
Okay, then we'll be doing the last video, which got 33 views, called Funny Basketball Stereotypes. So let's get into it. Dang, that's loud.
No matter what, got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody
Go up.
Thank you, Nate Horton, for making that. But today, I will be doing some funny basketball stereotypes. So let's get into it. Stereotype number 2. The person who shames everybody for missing a shot. You suck.
Oh God.
Anyways, look at this. I don't care about basketball, but look at. It's all chill. Netflix. Stereotype 4. The player that gets mad when you stupid ball. Stupid people did it just like the Patriots.
Dang, throwing a shot to the Patriots.
No. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That was it. So make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. Yeah, I'll think. Die. So guys, so there's a mess on the ground with figures and thumbtacks. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a time lapse. Yeah, the figures. So hit the time lapse. So guys, so in the process of picking up those things, I cut myself. I mean, I'm not gonna show the blood on. And microwave some items that can't be microwaved. So let's do this. Okay guys, so the cookie is done. So let's open this up. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's hot. Oh God. Oh no, I don't think I can eat that. I'm gonna be a savage and do it anyways. For you guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Actually pretty good. Actually pretty good, but him. Oh, got it on here. Boom, in the trash. Okay, so let's get the next guy. So we have a muffin in here now. It's only a little one, but we're putting it on for 30 seconds. So while I'm microwaving, that's gonna be burnt. Oh, hope the smoke alarms don't go off. Oh, the smell. Oh, hang on. Oh God, it smelled like this last time. Don't get. Oh, I don't want to. I got on the camera. Oh, camera, hang on. Oh, we guys, look at this. It's burnt. I'm gonna actually throw up. But not on camera, because I would never do that to you guys. Yeah, guys, but I mean, it wasn't really, that much. I mean, we didn't really do anything that much. We did that muffin, oh God, the muffin. So, I'm just gonna, stop the video here, and then we'll see where we pick up from. I'm here with Ash.
Yeah, boy.
You mean?
Oh man.
I'm about to break his heart. I broke his heart.
You're a bitch.
So this, you see? Hole, watch it. Sharp it! Thank you for the break.
Don't you do it. Don't, bro. You're so dumb.
I'm gonna move my Chromebook away from this smashing the table.
Can I put one of the belts back up?
I already have multiple of these. I'm breaking this figure I already broken.
No, you're not.
Are you serious, bro? He's provoking the obese.
Can you just?
Oh.
You broke the table.
You good, bro?
It's in.
Okay, guys, so, that will be the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys liked it. Yeah, really the fun thing is me heating up all those foods and stuff. Hopefully you like it and stuff, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new vlog. Peace! Oh yeah, and if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you. Eat it. Yeah.